Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted and honored to be able to say a few words during this historic event. Slovenia is only the fifth European state to officially recognize a sign language in its constitution to more fully support the Slovenian deaf and hearing impaired community in the full exercise of their human rights. This is a hugely significant moment, which would not have been possible except for the unrelentless dedication and efforts of members of the deaf and hard of hearing community and Association of Slovenia, and the vital role also of the European Union Commission and Parliament, as well as the support provided by the European Disability Forum. I'm honored for the recognition that I may have contributed to this moment, though the credit must mainly go to all of you here in Slovenia, and especially to the Deaf and Hard of Hearing Clubs Association for your perseverance and dedication. Let me close by adding that this is a very significant step, not as a measure dealing with sign language as an issue of disability, but as a recognition that deaf and hard of hearing citizens of Slovenia are users of a full-fledged language, a real language with its own richness and culture, and that as persons using their own language in this beautiful country, they are full members of Slovenian society. This country is acting in a respectful and inclusive way in embracing the recognition of Slovenian Sign Language in its fundamental law, the Constitution. My last words are congratulations and bravo to all of you, including the government and Parliament of Slovenia, for such an important gesture. This event is, and you are, a shining star and example for all of Europe and for all of us. Merci, Havala. Thank you.